Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Albion Public School and this is school situated in Kolamasa. Today we are going to learn topic properties of subtraction. In class 4 we are going to learn topic properties of subtraction. On last day we have learned many topics subtracting bigger numbers without regrouping with regrouping and in with regrouping tens and regrouping hundreds and without regrouping, and also we have learned many topics related to subtraction, and after that and before that we have learned some many topics related to addition, but today we are going to learn topic properties of subtraction. So what are the properties of subtraction? In addition we have learned properties of addition, but in subtraction we are going to learn properties of subtraction. What are the properties of subtraction? Listen carefully. Properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. So these are what are the properties of subtraction, and we are going to discuss on this topic. You know that when zero is subtracted, property first of subtraction, when zero is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. You know that when zero is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. That means if you subtract, take an example, easy example, 10 minus 0, 10, 5 minus 0, 5, 100 minus 0, 100, and 1000 minus 0, 1000. You know that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, as like there is number 24,589. There is a number 24,589. That is 24,589. That is 10,000. That is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Minus 0. That is 9 ones minus 0 ones. That is 9 ones. And 8 minus 0, 8. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 0, 4. And 2 minus 0, 2. So the answer is 24,589. You know that was property first. You know that when 0 is subtracted, property first of subtraction, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. And now come on the next property. What is that? That is first property was when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. You can see here that when 0 is subtracted from 24,589, the difference is 24,589. That is itself. Okay, and now come on the next property. And what is the next property? Listen carefully. Second property is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. You know that when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. Predecessor means you know that if you find the predecessor of any number, you have to subtract 1 from this number. As like predecessor of 1000, 1000 minus 1, 999, and predecessor of 500, 500 minus 1, that is 499. You know that when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. As like there is an example 13,786, 13,786 minus 1. That is 13,785, and that is 10,000. That is 1,000, 100, tens and ones. You know that when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. So when you subtract 1 from 13,786, that is 13,785. 13,785. So we can say that 13,785 is the predecessor of 13,786. So 13,785 is the predecessor of 13,786. And now you know that also 13,785 comes just before 13,786, and also 13,785 is predecessor of 13,786, and 13,786 comes just before 13,786. Okay, and you know that 13,785 is 1 less than 13,786. So these are three facts. You can remind them, and you can use this property to find difference of two numbers. Okay, and now you can take another example. 10 minus 1, 9, and 9 is the predecessor of 10, and also 9 comes just before 10, and 9 is 1 less than 10. You can take another example. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99, and 99 is the predecessor of 100, and 99 is 1 less than 100, and 99 comes just before 100. Okay, now come on the next property, that is third property. And what is that? That is when a number is subtracted from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. When you subtract a number from itself, then you will find that its difference is 0. Okay, so when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. As like 5 minus 5, 0, 10 minus 10, 0, 100 minus 100, 0, 1000 minus 1000, 0. You know that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. So there is an example, 42,578, 42,578 minus 42,578 is equal to 0. 8 ones minus 8 ones, 0 ones, 7 ones, 10 minus 7 times 0, and 500 minus 500 is 0, and 2000 minus 2000 0, and 4 10,000 minus 4 10,000 0. So when a number is subtracted from itself, that is 10,000, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. You know that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, and you also know that, let's take another example, some easy example. 9 minus 9, 0. Why? 10 minus 10, 0, 100 minus 100, 0. Why? Because when a number is subtracted, 100 minus 100, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 10 minus 10, 0. Why? Because when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Let's solve some questions of exercise 2.5. Okay, so there is some questions of exercise 2.5. Listen carefully. First question is subtract. Question number A, subtract, and in subtraction, first question is 9,586 minus 5,174. 6 ones minus 4 ones, that is 2 ones, and 8 tens minus 7 tens, that is 1 ten, and 500 minus 100, that is 400, and 9,000 minus 4,000, that is 9,000 minus 5,000, 4,000. So the answer is 4,412. Second one is 4,688 minus 3,422. 3,422. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 ones minus 2 ones, 6 ones. 8 tens minus 2 tens, that is 6 tens. And and 600 minus 400, that is 200, and 4000 minus 3000, that is 1000. So the answer is 1266. Question number 3. The question number 3 is 86,985 minus 74,202. 5 ones minus 2 ones, that is 3 ones, and 8 tens minus 0 tens, that is 8 tens, and 9 tens hundreds minus 200, that is 700, and 6,000 minus 4,000, that is 2,000, and 8 10,000 minus 7 10,000, that is 1 10. So the answer is 12,780. Question number 4. And the question number 4 is 67,303. 67,303 minus 46,425. 46,425. That is 40 minus 5. When we can't subtract 5 ones from 3 ones, so regroup 0 tens 3 ones into, and 0 can't be regrouped, so regroup from 100 tens, and that is 300 0 tens will be regrouped 200s and 10 tens, and after that regroup once into 10 tens and 3 ones, regroup it, and that is 9 tens and 13 ones. And now subtract 13 minus 5, 13 ones minus 5 ones, 13 ones minus 5 ones, 13 ones minus 5 ones, that is 8 ones. And after that 9 tens minus 2 tens, that is 7 tens, and 200s, 400 can't be subtracted from 200, so regroup it into 7,200 into 6,000, 1200, and now 1200 minus 400, that is 800, and 6,000 minus 6,000, that is 0,000, and 6,000 minus 4,000, that is 2,000. 6 10,000 minus 4 10,000, that is 2 10,000. And now the next question is, that is question number 2, and that is next question of this exercise is, now the next question is, that is arrange in columns and subtract. Question number B. Arrange in columns, and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. The first question is for, that is 4,386 minus 4,386 minus 2,479. So 4,386 minus 2,479. 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 6 ones, so regroup 6 ones into 8 times 6 ones into 7 times 16 ones. 16 ones minus 9 ones, that is 7 ones, and 7 times minus 7 times 0 times, and 400 can't be subtracted from 300, so regroup 4,300 into 3,000, 1,300, and now 1,300 minus 400, that is 900, and 3,000 minus 2,000, that is 1,000. So the answer is 1907. 1907. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 9,839 minus 6,948. So 9,839 minus 6,948. 9 ones minus 8 ones, that is 1 1, and 4 tens cannot be subtracted from 3 tens, so regroup 8 hundreds 3 tens into 7 hundreds 40 tens. And now 13 tens minus 4 tens, that is 9 tens. And 900s cannot be subtracted from 700. So regular 9700 into 8000, 1700. Now 1700 minus 900, 800. And now 8000 minus 6000, that is 2000. So the answer is 2891. And now thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing it. We will meet with new topic and new video on next day. Bye bye.